Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we discussed about the dictionaries. So basically dictionaries are the key values pairs. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about sets and booleans. Okay. So as, as you know, sets are unordered collection of unique elements. Means basically in set, we return the only unique elements. And for constructing set, we use set as a function. You see in list tuples, there are different built-in functions like length, upper. So same way for constructing the set, we use set as a function. I write here set is equal to as a function. Okay. When I print when I print x here, so it return me set. Okay. And if I want to add this element into that set, so how I am going to add? So I just need to x of add any element. For example, I write here 5. So 5 elements is added in, 5 number is added in that set. So when I print x variable here, so it return me the 5. Okay. Same way, uh, and one more thing, friends. Here is curly bracket. You are see here curly brackets. This is not a dictionary because, as you know, dictionaries are basically key value pairs. For example, if I write num1 10, so num1 is as a key and 10 as a value. But you see here set there is only values. So don't confuse between set and dictionaries. Okay. If I want to add another element, that's it. Again, I write x dot add of 2. So it return me the both elements previously added and just added. Okay. Same way, I can add another element. Okay. If you see the order, uh, uh, initially I added 5. After that, I added 2. Again, I added 1. So we didn't get any order here. Basically, it giving uh, basically it's written unordered element. Okay. Okay. And main uses of set. If you want to the unique element from any list, so you call it a for here I write one list. Okay. And in that list one repeated 4 times, two also repeated 2 times. So here is a repeated list. Okay. And when I perform a set operation on that list, it only returns me the unique elements of that list. Okay. So in real world scenarios where you need to find the unique elements from any list or any specific data, so you directly use the set also. Okay. And again, if I write, and again, I want to convert this list into the set. So I write in that way. So it return me the list. Mm, next topic is that Boolean. Okay. As you know, basically in Python, true and false as a Boolean values. Okay. True means 1, false means 0. It also has a placeholder object called as none. Okay. None work as a placeholder object for that Boolean values. Okay. When I write a is equal to true and print a, so it return Boolean values true. Same way, if you perform any operation, okay, any comparison operation, any operation, so your result, what result you get, it is in the Booleans. Okay. For example, if I write 1 is greater than 0, it's true, so it return me true. Same way, I write 1 is greater than 5, this condition is false, so it return false. Okay. Also, none as a placeholder for object that we don't want to reassign it. Okay. For example, here I write b is equal to none. Okay, and when I print b, it returns me the none. So, friends, basically this is very short video. I just want to give the brief introduction about sets and booleans values. Thank you, friends.